Question number 1. Compare and contrast organic and inorganic compounds. An organic compound is a substance that contains both carbon and hydrogen. Organic compounds are synthesized via covalent bonds within living organisms, including the human body. Recall that carbon and hydrogen are the second and third most abundant elements in your body, while inorganic compound is a substance that does not contain both carbon and hydrogen. A great many inorganic compounds do contain hydrogen atoms, such as water or H2O, and the hydrochloric acid or HCl, produced by your stomach. In contrast, only a handful of inorganic compounds contain carbon atoms. Carbon dioxide or CO2 is one of the few examples. Question number 2. Distinguish between acids and bases and explain their role in pH. Acids are electrolytes that release hydrogen ions in water. Acids are any substance that dissociates in water to increase the hydrogen plus and lower the pH. The stronger an acid is, the more hydrogen ions it produces and the lower its pH. Bases are electrolytes that release ions that bond with hydrogen ions. Basis is a substance that combines with hydrogen plus when dissolved in water and thus lowers the hydrogen plus. Therefore, basic or alkaline solutions have pH values above 7. Very strong bases such as sodium hydroxide have pH values and 12 or more. Many common cleaning substances such as ammonia and bleach accomplish their action because of their high pH. Question number 3. Discuss the role of buffers in helping the body maintain pH homeostasis. A buffer is a substance that resists changes in pH. Buffers help stabilize pH. They combine with hydrogen ions when these ions are excessive and contribute hydrogen ions when these ions are reduced. The pH inside almost all living cells and in the fluid surrounding cells in multicellular organisms is fairly close to neutral 7. Most of the enzymes in living systems are extremely sensitive to pH. Often even a small change in pH will alter their shape, thereby disrupting their activities. For this reason, it is important that a cell maintain a constant pH level. Buffers act by releasing hydrogen ions when a basis is added and absorbing hydrogen ions when acid is added, with the overall effect of keeping hydrogen plus relatively constant.